Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to keep your bathroom clean and minimal. I just like to start by clearing off my countertops and putting everything back where it belongs. I know whenever I am getting ready for work or leaving the apartment in a rush, things tend to build up, so I'm just putting everything back in its place. And before I start cleaning, I always like to make sure that music is playing just to get myself in the mood and to stay energized. So I saw this random Instagram post about this girl using apple cider vinegar to clean all of her brushes. So I decided to try it, and I just decided to dump all of my brushes and combs into my bathroom sink and let that soak for a while. I really like this contraption thing that my husband brought to my attention because before I was using the little scrubby plunger type toilet cleaner, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But this is way more sanitary. You just put the little cloth, attach it to the stick, and then it flushes in the toilet and your toilet is clean. kind of wet. We're gonna wait. Yep. Another way I like to keep my bathroom clutter free is by using these baskets. They were really inexpensive. I believe I got them from Home Goods, but it's just a great way to keep your items organized and out of the way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you learned something from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. You just